Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy on Demand, and we're over in Roswell today helping a customer get her house ready for sale. And so she's got a few things. You know, if you've got a house, but particularly a stucco house, fix any rotted wood because it just scares people. And so she's got a little rot here in this inside door frame here. We'll touch up the paint on the threshold. And she's got a little rot here on the inside and the outside where the caulk failed. The water's just been sitting. It's been leaching under the bottom of the side light here at the left side. So we'll fix that up for her. She had a little more rot in the back of the house. It's not huge stuff. What kills me are these stories with customers. Trying to find a contractor that you can trust to get this stuff done with anymore at a reasonable price, it's insane. It's totally insane. And so this poor customer had a contractor that came over and started doing some stuff for her today and wouldn't give her a price. When you look at repairs like this, we're not going to do anything about this now. Never let a contractor make horizontal cuts and repairs like this. It's just trapping. You can see it's rotting here again. It's rotted at the bottom again here. It's rotting up here. We'll just touch up that paint and that'll be the end of it. Paint over this stuff here. Here, we're going to fix the left and right rotted frame here. We'll replace the threshold here and same thing here. On the chimney, it's going to be hard to see it in the video. She cut down the old bushes that were here, and so it permanently discolored the stucco here. So we'll paint these two faces to match it. We'll take a chip higher up where it's a little bit lighter in here to match, color match it, and then just paint these two faces. Make it look good as new. It's an older home. It's really nice inside. She's got a few little things to do inside. Nothing major. She's got a little bit of rot right here on this angled piece here in the window, which we can probably just caulk it up for now. This window right here has been catching moisture for a minute, so we'll repair this corner board here. She's got a little rot on the left and right sides of the rear patio door, the frame, both sides of the door. This door, if you got an older finish like this, just prime it, 1 coat, 2 coats oil-based primer, 1 good top coat, and you're good to go. Replace this piece of masonite siding. This is basically cardboard siding is what it comes down to, but we'll replace it. Most of her siding, if you look at the bottom edges, and she had another contractor tell her she had to replace all her siding. She doesn't. See all those bottom edges, how uniform they are? This masonite is in great shape, even though it wasn't caulked perfectly. You can see where they missed some nail heads. They hand painted the siding, and that's why it's still in decent shape. She needs to, not so much here, but here. It's rotted in this corner, so we need to replace these 2 bottom rows right here. We're going to get rid of this grill and cap off the line. She wants us to get this fireplace out of here too and just throw it away. And then at the bay window, replace all the siding, and you can see this rotted corner right here. So replace the bottom siding here with smooth beaded hardy plank, and the rest of it's in great shape. She's got some other stuff if she was going to continue to live here that we would go ahead and do, but these are the only things she really needs to do to get the house listed for sale. She's got a kitchen ceiling that needs to be primed and repainted, and that's pretty much her ticket. You know, once all this stuff is done, she'll get this thing on the market. It'll be sold in a couple of weeks. This is a great neighborhood. If you're looking for a nice home in a fantastic neighborhood in Roswell, call me and we'll set you up with it. I'm Andy. My brother and I have been fixing houses in Atlanta for 27 years. We got a crew of 30 people. We pretty much do everything. We're at 770-912-2829. Sometimes you can catch me at 770-265-9017. I'm Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.